Forgings, please feel free to follow our shops on Alibaba. So far we have 3 Alibaba shops. The first one is for our customized castings and forgings. The second shop is for our RTS EB bikes. The third shop is for our EB machines. So you are always welcome to visit our shops. Okay. How about the third certificate? Okay, Carrie, what's this certificate about?
It's about Environmental Management System Certificate.
Yes, certificate. Also, it's a very important certificate. Okay, so this system complies with
GT 24001 2016, ISO 14001 2015 requirements.
Okay, this certificate is valid for the following scope:
supply or alloy castings and forgings and sites.
Good. Also, on this certificate, you can find our
certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification.
Also, you can find our
Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization.
Also, you will note that IAF and CNAS issued this certificate to us. Okay, good. Okay, so just now we introduced our 3 important certificates. Okay. Also, so now we have cooperated with Alibaba International for many years. So now we also would like to take this opportunity to show you our Alibaba certificate. Okay, so this one. Yes, good. Okay, so Carrie, what's the name for this certificate?
Verified Supply Certificate.
Certificate. Also, so what's the certificate number?
It's 20881155T.
Okay, good. Also, you will note that TUV came to us to make the on-site assessment. Okay, so everything was clearly shown on this certificate. Okay, so my dear friends, so every year in addition to TUV, so SGS, the third party, organization also came to us to make the on-site assessment. So, Carrie, could you read this certificate number?
Audited
Yes.
supply.
Yes, so EB China so far has become the audited supplier worldwide. Also, you will note that SGS and MadeInChina.com issued this certificate to us. Okay, so after qualification, we will be awarded to this certificate. This audit will cover the audit report. So our audited report theory number is
QIPASI 204795.
Okay, good. Okay, so now you will understand that EB China has passed many different important certifications. Also, we have got many different awards. Okay, how about this one to show our friends here? Okay. So, Carrie, what's this certificate about?
Manufacturing Excellence Innovation Awards.
Yes, so these awards were awarded by SGS because one of our forging parts was participated in this award competition, and finally we got this award. Okay. So my dear friends, EB China, specializing wear, heat, and corrosion-resistant castings and forgings. If you have any inquiries about our high alloy castings and forgings, please feel free to follow our shop firstly. Also, you can send us messages on Trade Manager or send us the messages, by WhatsApp or by emails. You are always welcome. Okay. So also, EB China. It's not only marketing, styling, and manufacturing company. We focus on the research and development of new materials and design. Yes. So far, our materials have covered the corrosion, heat, high temperature, and wear-resistant materials, including ceramic, rubber, and metal, alloy materials. So far, EB China has 22 patents. So now we also would like to take this opportunity to show some our patents to our friends here. Okay, so Carrie, let's start for the first the trademarks. EB China has different trademarks. Okay, Carrie, could you count number? Okay, so how many trademarks we have?
It's 5.
5. Okay, good. 5. We have 5 trademarks. The first one is
EB casting.
Yeah, EB casting. We can produce many different castings. Okay. Second one is
EB bolt.
EB bolt. We also specialize in supply of high strength bolts, nuts, and washers, okay. Fasteners, hardware. Okay, how about the third one?
It's EB
weld.
Yes,
EB weld. Also, we specialize in supply of different materials, welding consumable materials, including welding rods, welding wires, and welding powder. So if you have any inquiries about welding materials, please come to us. Okay. How about this trademark? 千百珠弹, yes. 千百珠弹 in Chinese, yes. This is also our main business. Okay. This one?
千百科技.
Yeah, in Chinese, because we also focus on high technology and research. Okay. Okay, so now we just finished introducing our 5 trademarks. Also, we'd like to show So Carrie, this is our computer software copyright registration certificate, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so far we have how many?
Oh, it's also 5.
Also 5, yes, we have 5 software copyright computer software copyright registration certificate. Because we post our heat treatment process, melting process, pouring process, and molding process, into this certificate. Okay. Also, we have many different patents, and the first one is our invention patent for high middle carbon alloy steel, double medium quenching heat treatment process. Yeah, this is our invention patent. Okay, so so far we have also many different other patents for practical new type patent certificate, and for our different wear, heat, and corrosion resistant products and design. There's many different. Okay, so my dear friends, now you will understand that EB China is also a technology company. We also we focus on the research and development and design of the new products and new alloy materials. Okay, if you have any ideas, or you can send us your specific working conditions, then we'd like to show you to try to work out the solution for you. Okay. So, Karen, could you any more information you would like to share with our friends here? Okay, here.
We have been broadly participated in the social activities to take the social responsibility.
Yes, so far EB China is also the member of Wuxi E-commerce Chamber, because we deeply understand that EB China is not only just a company. We also would like to take our social responsibility to educate more people and more students. Also, we will take our social responsibility to make the more benefits for our society. Okay, so also my dear friends, EB China specializes in wear, heat, and corrosion resistant castings and forgings. Okay, so this is our wear resistant castings. This is we adopt the investment cast process to make these products, this casting. Yeah, this is wear resistant castings, white arrow castings. Okay, for our customer in Europe. Wear, this is wear. So heat. Could you please make this one? Okay, so this is this is a heat resistant steel castings, and we call it heat treatment trays, heat treatment baskets. This trays and baskets will be used in high temperature furnaces, heat treatment furnaces. So these parts will endure the high temperature up to 1,200 centigrade. Okay. Also, we have some corrosion resistant castings. Also, this is our wax lost castings, and this material is cobalt alloy, cobalt 50, yes, materials. Also, sometimes we will adopt nickel alloy, yes, to make these parts. It depends on the customer's requirements. Yes. Also, you can see the surface finish is it's very good. It's very smooth, and also the size also is very accurate. Also, the bolt holes, the holes also very even. Okay. Yes. Also, just now we introduced our caskets. Caskets, wear heat and chlorine resistant caskets. And this one is our forgings. The heavy bolts are made by forging process. Yeah, hot forging process. You see, and this big heavy bolts will be used in grinding mills such as bone mills, cement mills, and sand mills. Yes, mine mills. Okay. Okay, so my dear friends, just now we introduced our company information. Yes. Company information. Also, our main products, the main materials. So, if you have any inquiries about our high alloy castings and forgings, please feel free to follow our shops on our Alibaba International, shops. Yes, platforms. Also, also you can send us your emails and WhatsApp, and you are always welcome. Okay, so that's all for our company introduction now. So let's welcome our next colleague to make the next live show. Okay, welcome. Here. Finished? Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's welcome my colleague here. Welcome. Here. 你可以先介绍自己。
Hello everyone, this is Paul from China. Now let me introduce the mining crushers. First is the index. One is the concept of crusher. Two is the application field of crusher. Three is classification of crushers. Four is some parameters of the crusher. And next is the concept of crusher. Many crushers are also called the rock crushers, which refer to crushing machinery whose discharge has a particle size greater than 3 mm and accounts for more than 50% of the total discharge volume. According to the size of feeding and discharging granularity, crushers are often divided into coarse crusher, medium crusher, and fine crusher. In metallurgy, many chemical, cement, and other industrial sectors, a large amount of raw materials are refused west need to be processed by crushers every year. For example, in beneficiation plant, in order to separate the useful minerals in the oil into monomers, it's necessary to use a crusher to crush the raw oil to the particle size required by the grinding process. It's necessary to use crushing machinery to crush the raw materials to the particle size required by the master operation. In departments such as cooking plants, sintering plants, ceramic Trademarks, glass industry, powder metallurgy, etc. Crushing machinery must be used to crush the raw materials to the critical size required by the net operation. In the chemical and electric power sectors, crushing the grinding machinery crushes and grinds raw materials, increasing the surface area of materials and creating separate conditions for shortening the time of chemical reactions of materials. With the rapid development of industry and the rapid reduction of resources, the reuse of waste materials in the production of various departments is very important. The processing of these waste materials needs to be caused by crushing machinery. This is some application of crusher. Furnace, bluestone, cobblestone, oil. This is the applications of crusher. Next is the classification. According to the way the crusher force acts, the crusher can be roughly divided into categories: crusher and the grading machine. Today, we mainly introduce the crusher. Generally handles larger pieces of material, and the product size is coarser. According to the crushing method and the structural characteristics of the machine, roughly divided into 6 categories: straw crusher, impact crusher, vertical impact crusher, point crusher, hammer crusher, root crusher. Next, let's invite my colleague Ives to introduce the next content.
Hello everyone, this is Alex from EB China. Now let me introduce you the crusher. The first one is the jaw crusher. The crushing chamber is composed of 2 jaw plates, mobile jaw and static jaw, which simulates the movement of the animal stroke to complete the material crushing operation. And the features, first of all, jaw crusher is the prepared equipment for primary crushing. It has the characteristics of large crushing ratio, uniform product size, simple structure, reliable work, simple maintenance, and economical operating costs, no noise and less dust. The crushing ratio is large and the product size is unusual. The structure is simple, the work is reliable, and the operating cost is low. The lubrication system is safe and reliable. The replacement of parts is convenient, and the equipment maintenance is simple. The crushing cavity is deep and there is no fat flow, which improves feeding capacity and output. Equipment energy saving. Single machine energy saving is 15% to 30%. System energy saving is more than double. The adjustment range of the company is large, which can meet the requirements of the different users. And next is the cone crusher. Cone crusher, a crushing machine suitable for raw material in metallurgy, construction, road construction, chemistry, and silicate industries. According to different crushing examples and different product physical size, it is divided into many models. They are widely used in mining, smelting, building materials, highways, railways, water conservancy, and chemical industries, and many other sectors. The cone crusher has large crushing ratio, high efficiency, low energy consumption, uniform product size, suitable for medium and fine crushing load, whereas the earth and rocks. The features include higher production capacity, better quality due to the safety device. The downtime is greatly reduced. The machine body is a constant steel structure with four segment ribs set as the heavy duty pump. With an adjuster, it can quickly adjust the size of the crushed and discharged material. Provide a spring protection device with a complete fabrication system will automatically shut down when the temperature is too high or flow rate is too slow. The international structure has good welding performance, which can effectively protect the equipment from dust and other small particles. Long slice light and strong applicator. And the next is Untitled Chapter. The Untitled Chapter is mainly used for metallurgy, chemical industry, building materials, hydropower, and other materials that often require station operations, especially for mobile stone operations such as highways, railways, and hydropower projects can be based on the type, scale, and size of the raw materials to be processed. The different requirements of finished material, of a variety of configuration forms. And the features include the Untitled crusher is more effective in processing material with a large amount of moisture, and effectively prevents the material from clogging. The Untitled crusher is applicable to a wider range of material handlers. It is convenient and flexible to adjust the discharging physical size, and the adjustment range is well light. The bearing parts are small, and the mental utilization rate is high. The replacement of spare parts is simple, and the maintenance cost is correspondingly used. And next, I will invite my colleague Bruce to introduce.
Okay, this is Bruce from EB China, and our company has diverse camera. I will introduce the next one. This is the Hammer crusher. Hammer crusher is a kind of equipment for crushing materials in the form of impact. It is divided into two types, single rotor and double rotor. It is a one-stage crusher that directly crushes materials with a maximum particle size of 600 to 1,800 millimeters, to 25 or below 25 millimeters. The hammer crusher is suitable for crushing medium parched materials. Such as limestone, slag, coal, and other materials in cement, chemical, electric power, metallurgy, and other industrial sectors. There are four major features of the hammer crusher. The first one is it has large crusher ratio, high production capacity. And our product is uniform and there is little over powder phenomenon. And also it is energy efficient. It consumes low energy per unit product and with simple structure. And the fourth advantage of this equipment is light in weight and easy to operate and maintain. Due to its reliable mechanical structure, high production efficiency, good applicability. Here is our roll crusher. As you can see, there are two pictures about the words to illustrate the detailed structure of the crusher. It uses one pair or two pairs of oppositely rotating rollers to crush materials. The material falls between the two rollers through the upper feeding port of the equipment and is brought into the gap between the two rollers by friction and is gradually crushed. And the finished material leaks from the lower part. When encountering materials that are too hard to be broken, the rollers automatically retract to increase the gap between the rollers and the overhard materials fall. With the action of hydraulic cylinders or springs, the roller returns to the original gap, thereby protecting the machine and adjusting the gap between the two rollers. You can control the maximum particle size of the product. Our commonly used roller crushers have the following advantages. First of all, its structure is simple, and maintenance is convenient, and the manufacturing cost is rather low. It is mainly suitable for coarse and intermediate crushing of brittle lump materials in mining, metallurgy, chemical, coal, and other industries. Its feed size is large, and the output size is adjustable, especially in the coal industry. The use of this machine to crush raw coal can be directly crushed as long as it undergoes iron removal, impurity removal, and no gain removal. The crushed materials have uniform particle size and low excessive crushing rate, which simplifies the coal preparation process and reduces investment and production costs. Also, there are some other hammers, there are some other crushers. Today, only some common classifications are introduced. In actual application, there will be more and more detailed classifications, such as gel-free crusher, compound crusher. Here is some instruction about the parameters. According to different purposes, the parameters of concern are slightly different. Some common ones are input size, output size, output, power, etc. And we believe price is not the only decisive factor, but to decide the choice according to one's own needs in order to save time and cost. Okay, that's all about the introduction of our company's process. Welcome our next colleague.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. This is Bina from AB China, and in this part, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons. Okay, let's start. The first is about the pros. As early as the 16th century in Europe, mail-making workers began producing mails with few threads. In 1797, Nestle invented an augmented precision screw based in London. The following years, a leaking made across both manufacturing machines in the United States. Both machines can produce universal mails and posts. Until the 21st century, both are widely used in construction, machinery, furniture, electrical appliances, automobiles, lamps, and other industries. And let's talk about the materials. The both materials produced by our company mainly include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and special alloys such as 45 steel, SS316, SS304, SAF 2205, 2507, 42C armor, and the mile K500 and the mile 400. And let's talk about dimension. The dimension is from M6 to M100. The length is from 20 to 800 and so on. And the both are mainly used in mini machinery, cooling tower, and other industrial equipment. In this part, I'd like to talk about the ball mill boats. The ball mill boats are widely used in ball mills, cement mills, coal mills, and mine mills, including SAG mills, AG mills. Some materials are commonly used. 40CR is 10.9 grade, and 42CR is 12.9 grade, and 35CR more, 5.9 grade. And there are some pictures. You can see the girls have different dimension and the size, and we can produce circles according to your needs. Okay, next I'm going to play a video. Okay. According to the video, you can experience the craftsmanship spirit. And next, I want to talk about the stainless steel boats. Stainless steel boats is generally referred to steel boats that are resistant to corrosion by air, water, acids, alkali cells, or other media. It is mainly used for environmental protection equipment, medical equipment, power facilities, chemical instruments, petrochemical industries, and the pipelines. And let's talk about the material groups. Almost commonly produced materials are SS304, SS316, SAF 2205, 2507, and Monarch K500 and Monarch 400. There are some pictures show us the stainless boats, and they have different dimension and size. And the picture show us about the package. The label show us the quantity, size, and the materials. This are the chemical analysis report. As soon if you place an order with us, we will show you chemical analysis reports. It will show you the composition and the standard and the actual values. So you don't have to worry about the quality. Well, which size of growth can we make? The size of growth we can produce include 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22, 30, 36, 42, 45, 48, 56, and 60, 64, 68, 72, and 76, and 80. So if you are interested in all products, welcome to click here to follow us, and I'd like to answer your question.
是粉吗？是粉吗？没有粉吗？盘里面没烤吗？你看一下盘里面没烤吗？
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome our lecture. This is Terry from EB China. Next, I will show you something about our metal product. Okay, let's start.
怎么断掉了？怎么回事？怎么黑屏了？怎么黑屏了？没充上电吗？什么鬼啊？你充上电了是吗？
Hello everyone. Welcome to our lecture. This is Terry from EB China. Now I'm going to show you something about our product, meta product. Okay, let's start. Okay, our catalog is divided into 4 sections. They are nickel powder, aluminum powder, copper powder, and cobalt powder. Okay, let's begin the first one, nickel powder. And the material of the nickel powder, metal pigments with metallic nickel as the main component, including nickel powder and flake nickel powder. Nickel powder is distilled and purified. The flake nickel powder is made of high nickel powder. The process of super lubricant and liquid medium is ground with steel ball in a ball mill to form a flake of super thickness. Okay, this is basic information of nickel powder. First one, color and shape of nickel powder. It's grey alkaline powder, easy to oxidize in moist air. The use of nickel powder used to prepare fuels, alloys, high temperature resistance, anti-oxidation materials. Can also be used as a catalyst for chemical reactions. The packing of the nickel powder packed with protective gas line, plastic bags, clothing bags, and iron drums. Okay, there are some pictures of our nickel powder. This is our test report of the nickel powder. Okay, let's begin the 2-part aluminum powder. This is our basic information of aluminum powder. Aluminum powder, often known as silver powder, that is silver metallic pigment. Small amount of lubricant is added to pour aluminum foil, brushed into scaling powder, and then polished. We turn to our feature of aluminum powder. Can divide into 3 sections. The first section is the color of aluminum powder. The color is silver white metal powder. The second use of aluminum powder, pens, inks, and fireworks. The last one, packing of aluminum powder. Packed with the protective gas line, plastic bags, clothing bags, and iron drums. There are some photos of aluminum powder. Here is the test report of aluminum powder. Okay, let's start our 3-part copper powder. from this picture, we can learn that the relationship with the poor copper product and copper alloy product. The production process of copper product is divided into extrusion type method, emulsion method, and reduction method. Now the most used method is emulsion. When it comes to our features of copper product, we can be divided into three. Firstly, the color of copper product is red. The color of copper product is yellow. The use of copper products is widely used in powder metal, diamond tools, sealing materials, electric copper product, conductive materials, welding materials, super hard materials, friction materials, and chemical industries. Not the packing of copper product, packed with protective gas and plastic bags, clothing bags, and iron drums. Okay, there are some pros of the copper product. This is test report of copper product. There are four copper product and copper alloy power. Okay, start the last part. Cobalt product. The raw material for the production of the cobalt product is cobalt oxide. You can learn from this picture. You can know that it's color. The feature of cobalt product have three. The first one, the color of cobalt product is green. Then used as products such as cement carbide, diamond tools, high temperature alloys, electrical materials, and chemical products such as rechargeable batteries, industrial plastic agents, rocket fuel, and medicine. The last packing of cobalt product, iron drum or plastic books. These are photos of cobalt product. We can learn color and shape from them. These are the size compression table of product. These pictures are different kinds of product. They have iron product, German product, and chrome product, and zinc product. Okay, that's all my speech. Thank you for watching.
3句话就行了。
还要啥？
啊？
还要啥？
不用了，没有时间。
Hello, this is Ethan from IB China. Let's first welcome my colleague Raya and Julia's introduction about our internal beliefs, and law in casting and forging company limited. So we have also 3 ISO certificates, and next welcome 3 of my new colleague about his jaw crushers, cone crushers, and some mile machines. And next welcome my colleague about the metal powders. So if you are interested in all the products we have told you before, please send us your inquiries about the size, materials, quantities of them. To send them to our Alibaba shops. You are always welcome. And at the same time, please follow our company. And this all for today's live shows. So see you next week.